Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am finally back with another video. I'm a little under the weather, so excuse my voice, but I did my hair in the super cute Senegalese twist using the rubber band method, which is great for beginners. These are super easy to do. So I did my hair because I went to see 50 Cent live in concert, and this concert was amazing. So keep watching so you can see how I did these twists. Baby girl, just a little bit. I don't know what you heard about me. So this is the hair that I used, and it is by Easy Braid Hair, and I got it in the color 1B/blue because I just want it to be a little bit different. So I'm going to be using So Real Edge Control. I have a pack of rubber bands. I got large rubber bands because they didn't have the regular small ones, but you can use either or. And I have a wide tooth comb, and the other comb was a rat tail comb, but the rat tail broke off, so I'm just using the other end of the rat tail comb. So I parted my first row, and I am starting from the nape of my neck, and I just made 3 parts because there's going to be 3 twists on that first row. And I just parted my natural hair straight down the middle of that section. I'm grabbing a rubber band and I'm bringing my natural hair over the braid hair, and we are going to secure my natural hair with a rubber band. And you do not want to be pulling the rubber band tight. You don't want to create that friction on your scalp. You don't want to give yourself a headache. I know it may look like I'm pulling this rubber band tight, but that's because they're large rubber bands and I have to wrap it around like so many times to secure my hair. So now that I have it secured, I parted my natural hair into 2 sections, and I put one piece in with one piece of braid hair and put the other piece of my natural hair with the other piece of the braid hair, and we are just going to start twisting. And there is a method to how you twist. You don't want to just twist regular because your twist will come out loose. What you have to do is scrunch the hair with your fingertips a little bit so that it tightens up, and then cross it over to twist. And you can't see very clearly how I'm scrunching and twisting on this first twist, but as the video progresses, you'll definitely see what I mean when I say scrunch and twist. But let's talk about this rubber band method of attaching the braid hair. It is super beginner friendly if you don't know how to start a twist off, or even if you don't know how to start off a traditional braid, or even if you don't know how to start off knotless braids. Whatever individual braid or twist style that you choose to do using this method is definitely going to give knotless. And that's why I love this method of attaching the braid hair. So I am all the way at the end of this twist. And I always put some edge gel on the ends of the twist and just kind of smooth everything in and make it nice and smooth. And I went ahead and did the second twist, and as you can see, they are very flexible. You can put them up. Your neck is not going to hurt from having too much tension on your scalp as long as you do not put that rubber band on there tight. So now we're going to go ahead and do the third twist, and I parted that section down the middle. I'm going to add my braid hair right in the center of that part, and then I'm going to grab my rubber band and pull both pieces of my natural hair over that braid hair and secure the rubber band. So now that the rubber band is secure, I'm going to split my natural hair in 2, add one piece with one piece of the braid hair, add the other piece of my natural hair with the other piece of the braid hair, and then we are just going to start twisting. And we are not just twisting, we are scrunching and twisting. And no, my parting is not very clean on this first row. The first row is always the hardest for me to part, so don't be too much worried about the first row because I mean it's way at the back where my neck is, and ain't nobody gonna be looking that hard at my neck. So that first row is always the least of my worries, okay? But pay close attention to this part of the video. You can clearly see how I am using my fingertips to kind of rub and scrunch that hair tight. And I scrunch and twist all the way to the end of the braid. And then I'm adding product as needed so that I can secure the ends and make sure they're nice and sleek and nothing is going to come loose. And now we're going to move on to the next row. So I wanted to show you guys how I part without using like a three-way mirror or something to help me see what I'm doing in the back of my head. I basically use my finger as my guide. So see how I'm putting my finger and I'm putting my comb right where my finger is. Wherever I put my finger at, that's where I kind of left off. And that lets me know exactly where I need to pick up and continue parting. And I just use my comb to go straight across that part. So since I left off right there, I'm using my comb right where my finger was at, and I'm just going to continue parting across. And my part is pretty clean for me to not have used a three-way mirror or anything. We're not going for perfection, okay? Keep in mind, a lot of people that may be doing this style are not professional hairstylists. And I did not go to school, you know, for hair cosmetology school or anything. I am just doing what I know how to do, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys can do it too. And this is how the twist was looking so far. And as you can see, they are looking so good. So now I am moving on to the top of the back of my hair. And this is like where my hair is the thickest and the longest. So I used my detangling brush just to detangle it really well and brush it out. And this is pretty much the last row in the back. And then we're gonna start on the front. Whew. I ran out of hair, so I'm on my way to the beauty supply store. But look how they looking. And of course, I'm going to my favorite beauty supply store. It's called In the City Beauty Supply. It is my local beauty supply store in my neighborhood, and I absolutely love it here. They have such a variety of colors and hair textures and everything that you need. Like, it's just like beauty supply store heaven every time I go in there. Everybody is always so nice and welcoming, and it's black owned, and they just got it going on in there. So I spotted the hair, and now we are about to purchase it. And this blue though, like, it is so pretty, and once the sun hits it, when I step outside, it's just like such a beautiful blue contrast. I love how it's like the 1B blue mix, and I feel like it goes so good with my skin tone. Drop a comment and let me know if you think this color is popping or is it stopping, because I just want to know y'all thoughts. Like, am I on pop or do I need to stop? Y'all know I'm crazy. But for real, drop a comment and let me know if you like this color. And also pay close attention right here, because you can see real good how I am doing the scrunch and twist method. And while I am twisting this twist down, I just want to say thank you guys so much for over 1K subscribers. Y'all do not understand like how huge this is for me. Like, when I started my channel, I was so apprehensive about even doing this because I'm so shy. Like, I have a big personality, and when I'm comfortable, my personality definitely shines. But I'm such an introverted person. I don't like being in front of the camera or on the spotlight, but something in me just really felt like I have a lot to share, and I just wanted to share so much with you guys. And I feel like my videos are really helpful and people can learn a lot from them, especially when it comes to, you know, people that may be trying to learn how to do their own hair or do their own nails. And for me to make it to 1,000 subscribers is just beyond me. But I just want to thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Chalk Nation, for hanging in there with me and supporting me through my journey. And Thank you for all your continuous support and love that you show me. And of course, the giveaway video is coming next after this one. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, okay? I love and appreciate you all so much with my whole heart. Thank you to all my day one subscribers, and thank you to all my new subscribers as well. Welcome to the Chalk Nation. I call you guys Chalk Nation because, of course, my name is Chalk, but I'm also building a nation of people that, you know, support me and my channel, and I also support you guys and your channels, and we're just all there for each other, teaching each other, learning from each other, growing our channels. And even if you don't have a channel, you growing right along with me. So just continue rocking with me. There's so much more to come. Only way to go from here is up. So that's what we doing. We going up. So at this point, I was almost done with the twist, and this is after I finished the other side of my hair. And as you can see, the twists are looking amazing. All we have to do now is dip them, and I'm going to show you guys how I dip the twist as well. So I heated up some water on the stove. I didn't bring it to a complete boil. I just heated it up, and then I put it into a tall pitcher, and then I put my twist in, and I'm just going up the length of the twist and down to make sure I get the whole length of the twist all the way down to the ends. And then I take my towel and just get all that excess water out, and that is pretty much it. We are done with these twists. They came out amazing, so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. And as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.